Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I have my September Nadine West. So let's jump on in and see what I got. Now, I absolutely love getting this purple package in the mail. It's always nice to get like surprised clothing. I like it. Now, only I can open it. Now, Nadine West, for those of you who don't know, it's a styling service, which in my opinion is very, very affordable. The items can range anywhere from $10 to $30. And the only thing that you're ever charged, like there's no membership fee or anything. So the only thing that you're ever charged aside from any clothing that you decide to keep is a shipping debit of $9.78. Now, those $9.78, they do debit it in order to get your package out to you, but then they take that $9.78 off of anything that you decide to keep. So let's say you kept one item or three items, whatever the total is, they deduct the $9.78, and so shipping ends up being free, which is totally awesome in my book. So you want to be careful when you do open your package. You don't want to take scissors to it or anything like that, because should you want to return anything, you have to just return it back in the same package, tape it up, and then stick the label on top of the label that it has with your information. Inside of it, you always get a return label. So let's take a look. So exciting. There we go. So this month, oh no, usually it comes wrapped really nice, guys, in this like pink tissue with the Nadine West sticker. Let me see if I can try what. There's the Nadine West sticker. It's usually like bundled like this, but this one was stuck to the package, so it did come undone. I guess we'll just open that one first. So I have two little packages today, this month. See, this is what I mean. Isn't that cute? And I absolutely love the little Nadine West sticker and how they wrap it up like that for you. Then also included in there are, of course, your return shipping label, and then also the list of the items that you receive, and it'll list the items along with the price. So let's go ahead and get in on it. I said we were going to start with the one that's already open, so let's do that. So I really like the print of this one. Oh wow, this is cute for fall. So look at the back. And is that the back or is that the front? I think that's the back, guys. Yeah, because the tag is back there. So that has to be the back. This is the front. And it has that off length at the bottom. I like that it's a 3/4 sleeve. I like the print on it. It's definitely fall. And this is, does it say the brand? Let's see. It's Hayden. It's Hayden. So there we go. I really like it, guys. This is great with like leggings. Okay, let's see what else. Ooh, oh my goodness, I'm losing the accessories. So yeah, whenever they send you accessories, they do wrap them in between the clothes, so just be careful with that. Oh my gosh, this is a cute little like kimono. Look at how adorable this is. I love it. It is see-through-y. It's nice and sheer, but I love the colors. It is from Hippie Chick, so if you guys have seen my previous Nadine West unboxings, you know that that is one of my favorite brands. So I do love that. Let me just pick up the accessories, and we'll go through the accessories last. And then here is another item that is also a great color for the fall. This is by Perch, and it is a little top. That's what it looks like. Super cute with the pet plum in the back. Look. Nice. And I love the sleeves on this too. So very, very nice. I really, really like that. Oh, more accessories. All right. Then there is this one. Oh, they're leggings. So they're high waist leggings, and they look like they're like those baggy leggings type things. And this is from Hippie Chick as well. Super excited about these guys. They have the nice little elastic at the bottom. Very cute. Love it. Next package. And we have something in gray. Let's see. And oh, how cute is this? Okay, so this looks like it's a dress. And it is in navy, red, and gray. So it's gray at the top, short sleeve. Then it has a fringe of navy and a fringe of the red. Super cute. Love these. And this is from Shop Basic. Oh my God, I absolutely love this, guys. It might be a little too long for me, but I'll have to try it on and see. And follow me on Instagram. I'll put up pics of when I'm wearing this outfit on there. Let's see. Oh, look at how cute this top is. And this top is from Aronia, I think. Anyway. Look, guys, so it's got like an open shoulder. It's got the cold shoulder, short sleeve, and look at the cute little collar here. And it's nice and long. I really, really like it. Very, very nice. And then we have a pair of dressy, they're like jeggings almost. Very nice. I love the little crisscross here in the front. They are tapered at the bottom. Very nice. These are nice and thick. These are definitely perfect for the fall, guys. And this is by Active USA. Love it. So excited. Okay, so now let's get into the accessories. So we have 3 accessories. I am going to start with the earrings because I love earrings. And, oh, whoop. Oh, I can't. Hold on a sec. Okay, there we go. Look at how cute those are. Oh, stop shaking. There we go. Here's the other one. The hook tends to get a little tangled, but there we go. And I want to try these on. I love these. Super cute. I like that they're not too long. Really like them. Let's see. Alright, so excited. What do you guys think? I think they're cute. I like them. Wake Okay, let's see what's next. This one, look how pretty this is, guys. And this one looks like it's a necklace. Check that out. I love it. It's a great length. I really, really like it. Very pretty. Nothing, you're making me laugh. Oh. And then we have this cute little bracelet. Oh, it's cute. The bracelet might be a bit much for me. I mean, it's cute, I like it, but it's really like not my style, but it's definitely my sister's style. So I know she'll love it. But how pretty. I mean, it's cute. What do y'all think? I like it. All right, that is my Nadine West haul for the month of September. Let me know what you think. If there's a piece that you like the most, let me know which one that was down in the comments. And I'll see you guys next month. Bye.